I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you suspect any unusual activity on your Degiro account, it's important to report it promptly. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your Degiro account. Access your Degiro account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you're using a secure network to avoid any potential security issues. Step 2. Navigate to the support section. Once logged in, find the support or help section in the main menu. This is where you can access resources for reporting issues. Step 3. Select Report Suspicious Activity. In the support section, look for an option that says Report Suspicious Activity or something similar. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Fill out the reporting form. Complete the form with all relevant details about the suspicious activity. Be as specific as possible, including dates, times, and any transactions involved. Step 5. Submit your report. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the /com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. If you notice any discrepancies in your account balance, such as an unexpected withdrawal, make sure to mention it in your report. It can help expedite the investigation. Stay vigilant and keep your account secure. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Degiro's support team.